All right, guys, it's me, Jose, here again at Bimmer Hub. Here we have a 2024 G80 M3 competition. I'm going to be installing some BBS wheels the customer provided himself. Therefore, I'm going to show you how we do it the right way here at Bimmer Hub, from removing the old tires from the old wheels, sensors, reinstalling them on the new wheels, and road force balancing all 4 wheels. All right, we're going to start with removing the front wheels here, as it's staggered wheel setup. Therefore, we're going to do the both front ones, road force balance both fronts, and then move on to the rear. Cut. Gotta spin the tire. As you can see here, we now have mounted the tire. It's now on the balancing machine, and we're doing the process of a road force balancing. Therefore, it measures the highest point on the tire, the lowest point on the wheel, to therefore match it and reduce the most vibrations when driving the vehicle on the road. The tire machine is indicating us to mark the tire here as it's marked, and to rotate over to the next indication. We only do it right, bro. Only do it right.
I do a kick flip. I do a heel flip. I do a double flip. It's such a lovely trick. I do a handstand. Many on a many path. I'm feeling kind of old, but kind of beautiful, yeah. Because skateboard is fun. I ride my muddy board. I got my kicks and my guns. I do a lip slide in the middle of a switch line.
As you can see, we just finished mounting and balancing both front tires on the wheels, and we would now be installing them on the vehicle and see how it looks. We're now moving on to the rear wheels. We'll be installing the tires and also road force balance in these also. Yeah. Puta madre, man. Yeah. Shit almost blew out my eardrum, dog. Now I got a force match. You see it's current 21. Prediction is 4 pounds. So I want you to spin the tire to bring down the force. All right, guys, this is the last tire we're doing. As you can see, we just finished road forcing it. We'll now be balancing it, installing it on the vehicle, and completing the car. Alright guys, as you can see, the vehicle is now complete. All 4 wheels and tires were reinstalled on the vehicle. Now it has more of an aggressive look and a better view. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.